Hi there, I'm Jacqueline Coates. Have you ever wanted to know where to start painting but not been sure where to start? It can be a little bit confronting facing off the blank canvas and wondering what other people might think, that invisible panel of judges inside your mind. But with my no fail blooms painting method, you don't even need to be able to draw. And best of all, this month I'm able to launch you purchasing on a monthly basis, and you can work your way through the course and do as little as much as you like, and you can budget as you go. So it's really awesome. And you've got ongoing access to the lessons and the painting reviews that we do in class, which is awesome. So absolutely love that, and you are going to love it too. We've got a private Facebook community, and the kind of things that we do are these lovely irises, poppies, hydrangeas, roses, ranunculus, pears, daffodils, poppies, figs, and even these stunning video sequence lessons for the fuchsia and the anemones. So if you stay in the course, you get to do over 40 paintings. You're going to become a great painter and going to have a beautiful wall of paintings like this. Many of my students earn while they learn, so you should be able to more than keep up with, you should be making money as you go with my course, because people will want to take the paintings off you. My students often sell these for $350 to $400 each. And your course doesn't cost nearly anything like that per month. So we do several paintings a month. So you need to allow about 2 hours. It's a course in acrylics. What else can I tell you? You don't need to have painted before. It's no fail. And there's loads of support. I'm right there cheering you on in our painting reviews and giving you lots of fantastic extra tips and advice. So hope to see you in class if you go to bloomsartistcommunity.com/how-to-paint-blooms, or check the link below, you can have a look and check it out and try it. If you don't like it after a month or two, just opt out, and that's fine. But I find that people get hooked. They get really thrilled with a growing collection of paintings on their walls, and they love it. So we'll see you in class. See you soon.